Alright, Fierce Love, so now we are going to unbox my 𝒮𝑔𝒽 perfume right here, which is an eau de toilette actually, and is 75 ml or 2.5 fluid ounce, and it's right over here. Okay, so I have this for quite some time already, just didn't have the time to unbox them, yeah. There are quite a lot more perfumes that I have hauled that I haven't done a video yet. So stay tuned for that from Lancome, Versace, and so many more. Yes, so I am going to remove this plastic so we could see the box and it's not going to reflect anymore. Alright, so the box looks like that. Just a black glossy box with a 𝒮𝑔𝒽 logo over here. Those are the information at the bottom. And then that's right there. And then at the back, it looks like so. So I have the big one and then the travel size. So this is a special packaging and I got this from Lux Plus. Alright, so let's open this up. I think that this is because it's moving inside the box. So let's see. Hopefully they're okay. Aha! It looks like this. So cool. So the box has the 𝒮𝑔𝒽 logo on it also. So cool. And that's how it looks inside. And that's why it's moving. I was like, oh, what's that? What's moving? So we have two items right here. Here's one, the eau de toilette. And then the other one is the travel size, which is in black. Oh, that's so cool. So some places also sell the eau de toilette roller baller. Or was it a roller baller or was it a spray? I actually don't know. So let's check it out. But this travel size are usually being sold separately also. Yeah, it's a roller baller. Just like the ones that they sell on Sephora. So there you go. Alright, let's just go ahead and take time to appreciate this pretty So 𝒮𝑔𝒽 is the Oriental Floral 𝒮𝑔𝒽 fragrance that is presented on the market in September 2010. It is designed for the glamorous, daring, brave, and very sexy girls who like to party and enjoy themselves. The face of the advertising campaign is 𝒮𝒾𝑒𝓐 Wood, a singer and actress. So 𝒮𝑔𝒽 contains the notes of mandarin, pink pepper, peach, lilac, geranium, amber, and patchouli, and it's available in 30 ml, 50, or 70 ml. And the nose behind this fragrance is Aurélien Guichard. So a lot of people likes this one. It's a very it's an OG for 𝒮𝑔𝒽 perfumes. It's a cult favorite, and a lot of people likes to wear this in the fall, winter time, and mostly at night time. So let's take a look at this very pretty 𝒮𝑔𝒽 bottle right here. It's so reflective. Oh my goodness. So the juice is a little bit amber in color. And it's just so nice. This 𝒮𝑔𝒽 in the front, 𝒮𝑔𝒽 in the back. Pretty gold packaging. A very nice bottle. It has 𝒮𝒽 on the top right here. So stunning. Then at the bottom, of course, we have the usual information about it. And there you go, everybody. I was able to share with you my first impressions about this 𝒮𝑔𝒽 beautiful perfume for women. But to be honest, I am uploading this a year after I filmed this video, so I get the chance to try it, and I can say that it's a very good one. I highly recommend it, and I will give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next perfume videos. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya!